Wow, this is the first time that I'm driving the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica, the hybrid model. Actually, surprisingly, that it has a lot of power for a minivan. I'm gonna bring you on a little test drive of this Chrysler Pacifica hybrid. I heard of it before, but never got a chance to get my hands on test driving one. Today I have one, so let's go for a little drive. It has good power though, for a big minivan like this. It's actually moving. Look at that. I'm step on it and it just go. I mean, yes, I'm going downhill, but even though earlier uphill, it is still moving. It actually has power, lots of power for a minivan. Stoplight. Alright, fully stopped. In front of me is like it's a lake. Alright, look at that. Look at the acceleration on this one. Wow. I mean, imagine someone are gonna turn this Chrysler minivan into a sleeper. I won't be surprised. Acceleration again. Wow. Even when it's already pick up speed, it actually like moving. Even though from like fully stop, accelerate is still very, very well. And the interior look nice. Get all the basic stuff. Get your touchscreen there for the control system. Get the shifter right here. It's a little advanced now. The shifting is just turning this knob right here. Huh? It's kind of like, I don't know. Is it like Mercedes style? But it actually look pretty cool. Alright, gonna go again. Alright, straight line, acceleration. Woo. Red line again. Hybrid and electric cars are fun to drive. It's just like torquey. You can feel that instant power from get-go, from fully stop when you hit it, and then it just, that electric motor working, assisting hand in hands with the gasoline. It's just make the cars like fun to drive. Alright, that's it. It's a little test drive of this one. Just bring you with me to see how it is. Actually pretty good. I like it. Yeah, you're gonna say like every car that I like it. Yes, it's just a fun car to drive. So, alright. Thank you. Hope that you like it. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. See ya.